Wow everyone, how is it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. I cannot believe the amount of support and also the amount of negativity. I guess just people commenting on my channel in the past couple of days. It's crazy. I really like it. I welcome the negativity. I like when you guys bring up, detailed responses and everything. So thank you. Again, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. As you can see here, this video is about the Uber petition. And last video, you might have seen that I signed the Uber petition, but now I just want to address a couple things because a lot of you guys have been reaching out to me, telling me, I can't believe you signed it, Dylan. This is crazy, this is insane. But, there's a big but. Yes, there's a but. I want to encourage you not to sign it if you don't want to. And I'm going to get into why. Just as you can see here, I know I am on my computer, but if you guys don't know, every single day, I wake up and I watch some Uber videos. This is a great guy. His name is the Rideshare Professor, I believe. And then also, I have up my Uber news. So I have two tabs. Usually, some of these guys, this guy is really talented, but also, I'm gonna get into the petition right here and should you sign it. So just a quick debrief. Well, before I get into that, give the video a big thumbs up if you drive for Uber. Give the video a big thumbs up if you drive for Lyft. And give the video a big thumbs up if you want to make more money while driving for Uber. And also, if you just watch any of my videos, give the video a thumbs up. That does help me so much, and that's all I ask you. I do want to provide both sides of the story. So basically, if you guys don't know, very quickly debrief, Uber and Lyft is now has about 3 million drivers, and California Assembly wrote a bill that would require Uber and Lyft to make their drivers, you and me, or maybe if you're a passenger watching, but to make the drivers employees, give them employee benefits like healthcare, set minimum wage, hourly guarantee, the right to organize like in a union. Right now, we don't really have that, so California Assembly is like, well, there's millions of people relying on Uber and Lyft for full-time income. Why don't we treat them like employees? So that's basically what they're working on. The governor still needs to sign it or determine what to do in California. However, Uber and Lyft did publicly come out and say, hey, California government, we want to keep our drivers flexible. And actually, if this bill passes and becomes a law, it would be detrimental to our business model. Basically, Uber might have to shut down, or it would just not make it work because, quite frankly, a lot of drivers would quit, including me, because I don't want to have to work 30-40 hours a week on a set schedule. I like working part-time, a couple hours here, a couple hours there, making extra money. If I want to save more money for my house or buy a new car, just drive a few extra hours a week, and it really does add up. I don't rely on this for full-time income, but today Uber sent out an email saying, hey guys, we need your help, we need driver help. And so this is the email that they sent out. Basically, they're now encouraging drivers to sign this petition, and all it would do is that it would tell California, hey, we don't want to be employees, we just want to make more money, because Uber is now willing to compromise with drivers and give us more money. So I'm like, hey, yeah, why not? So I signed it, but I know a lot of you guys said don't sign it, and I do want to bring that up because it is an interesting point. Why would you not sign the petition? A couple of reasons is because a lot of people said, well, Uber and Lyft have never had our back before. They always decrease wages. If we sign it now, we're pretty much just surrendering to them. But for me, I'm in a very interesting position because I'm in California. So if this law passes, I will have to quit. That's like, for me, that's why it's either sign it and hope that this law does not pass so I can keep driving, or don't sign it and then the law passes and I'm gonna quit, or they're gonna ask me to become an employee and I'm gonna say no. So technically not quitting. Yeah, I know somebody are like, oh, you can't quit an app, you just log off. I'm like, well, okay, well, whatever you want to call it. I will have to stop. So it's up to you. If you want to, it's risky not to sign it, but if to each their own, right? I can't control everyone. So let me know in the comment section below if you do want to sign it, or if you don't want to sign it, and your reasoning. I want to hear from you guys. But basically what I want to say is, if you don't want to sign it, if Uber's not been good to you, if Lyft's not been good to you, don't sign the petition and then stop driving, because you know, you're probably not very happy doing it. I love driving for Uber, I love driving for Lyft. I've gotten a lot of people commenting recently saying, oh, this guy doesn't even drive for Lyft. He just makes videos in his apartment. And I'm like, okay, well, I mean, I'm not gonna make, it's, you know, it's illegal to film videos of your passengers. Not illegal, or to post videos. I know a lot of people do, but look at Ryan is driving. He got deactivated. Guys, I was gonna make a channel called Dylan is Driving, because I have tons of footage of my passengers already for my dash cam. I was just gonna start editing and uploading those, but then, you know, I don't want to be deactivated from Uber and Lyft because I like the money. And you know, I have a studio, as you can see. I have my lighting back there. I have my tripod. I like to make quality videos, and it's kind of hard to do that in my car. Although I do that quite. I don't know why people don't think I drive. It's like, come on, who even cares? it's like saying, oh, you don't. It's like me talking about nutrition and someone saying, oh, you don't even eat healthy. It's like, okay, well, yeah, you might eat a pizza every once in a while. All right, that's it for today's video, pretty much. Let me know if you don't want to sign it. Don't sign the petition. No one's forcing you to. Uber and Lyft are recommending it to you. If I trust Uber and Lyft's judgment on this, if they think it's the right thing to do, I'm gonna say yes. Why? Because I really like Uber and Lyft. Uber and Lyft have done so much to me. You guys have known my story if you've been watching my videos for a while. If you haven't, quick refresher. Uber and Lyft, guys, helped me get out of debt. I had credit card debt. I had a car payment. You know how bad it is to have a car payment? I was having to make my car payment of $156 every month for 3 years. And so I was like, I don't want to do that. So I signed up for Lyft and Uber, and I paid it off in like a couple of months. I was working like a full-time job and driving for Lyft on the side. So I was working hard when I first signed up. And then I kind of stopped working my job. Now I make these videos, drive, and then also work in startups. And also, for you guys saying I don't drive, how would I make videos about Uber and Lyft if I don't drive? I mean, okay, big reveal, guys. Big reveals to all the people who tell me that I don't drive. My answer to that is yes, I do not drive 40, 50, 60, 70 hours a week like some of you guys do. I'm a part-time driver. I drive part-time, and I really only drive, you know, I don't, big fair warning, yeah, I don't rely on Uber and Lyft for money. I'll just say that. It's good extra money, I like it, but I have another job that I make most of my money at. So driving for Uber and Lyft is just extra money. It's like somebody handing you $100 a day, or 50 bucks a day, a couple $100 a week, however you want to call it. You know, I'm not driving, I don't have to rely on it, but I know a lot of you guys don't want to be there either. You want to get to the point where you're not relying on it. Trust me, I've been at the point where I was relying on it, and I don't like that situation. I want something more reliable. So that's kind of the transition. I hope you guys can understand that, just so you know when I talk in the future. I'm not going to explain this again, maybe if I do a Q&A, but that's how I navigate it. Again, don't sign the petition if you don't want to, but if you want to follow Uber and Lyft's advice, the company you work for, sign the petition. I work for Uber and Lyft, and they've done so much to me. The least I can do is sign the petition that they told me to sign. I don't know why people are not signing it, but again, if you don't want to, don't have to. Big reveal. You don't have to sign it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. You guys are awesome. Give the video a big thumbs up again if you want to make more money with Uber. If you like these types of videos, if you like making more money, give the video a double thumbs up. You know how you do that? You click the thumbs up button and you leave a comment of the thumbs up emoji telling me that you did leave a thumbs up. Alright guys, you guys are awesome. Make sure to subscribe, and I will talk to you all soon. Later guys.